Hey, don't.
Oh my God, boys, a Rambo! Oh man, I gotta lower that window. People are gonna think I'm clocking them with this, clocking their speeds or something.
Alright, what is going on, guys? Today we're gonna get our reaction, well, my friend's reaction to their brand new exhaust. I wanted to do this video first. When I got it, it's right there. And there's a whole bunch of traffic, which I'm trying to film. But anyways, I've wanted to do this video for the longest time, but I couldn't do the video I installed it because it would have made it too long. So we're gonna do it today in a separate video. And shout out to the traffic that's just going by. Oh wait, but Brian's behind the camera today. What was it?
It was good. It sounded good.
Sounded good?
I gotta get a better.
Brian's speechless. He hasn't been in front of the camera for a bit. Now we got my friend's BMW over here. Everybody's honking when there's a camera out. Hi, car. How does he sound?
It's loud.
Loud?
It's loud.
See, he had words to say, Brian. Okay, I don't think you guys are gonna be able to hear anything out here, so we're gonna go ahead, get Brian's reaction inside the car, and then we're gonna go ahead and pick other of my friends up.
Then you got friends?
Dude, that's what I was thinking yesterday. I was like, wait, who am I gonna take?
You should do an Uber prank. That'd be so fun.
Hey! You guys haven't seen Brian in the vlog for probably 2 years, right? So how's the? I know you have like a couple kids now. You're like married. How's everything?
Man, life is rough. But we're back.
We're back.
We're back. And we're better.
Ever. Compared to the last one, how does it sound?
No, it is better.
It's better, right?
It's definitely better.
I feel like I got more torque, and like the higher end, it's just louder. Like the last one on the lower end, it was loud, but as I topped it off, it got like a little.
You know what I want to hear? Pops.
I know, it doesn't pop that loud. Look at Brian calling me out. Oh, does it pop?
Bro,
We're not tuned.
I'm from the BMW side, okay? We pop.
You guys just fart, bro. We're getting pops here.
You asked.
You
They
asked
delivered
and
for
she
you.
delivers!
3, 2, 1, go!
Alright, 1 through 10, 1 through 10. What would you rate it? What would you rate it?
How long did it take you to upgrade? This was the way to go.
Dude, it was
This is a 10 out of 10.
Bro,
for
I
sure.
was living the non-Tome life for like a good
Like,
year and a half, 2 years.
you need to post the reaction to us reacting to the other 370s, like right now, like right
Right
here.
now, there's me freaking out over Tomes. Holy crap! Look how
Bro, you blew my ear.
this guy, look at this dude. That's good. Alright, boys, next contestant. So I'm just literally going around just giving people a ride and getting the reaction. You already know, boy. Have you ever been in the Z after I've modded or did anything? No, right? Never.
This is way too loud. Way too loud.
Look at this guy, look at this guy!
No. This is way too loud.
Can I get that Tommy?
Everybody be like. This is way too loud. Like, way too loud. You guys don't even know yet. Like,
Alberto said he liked my last one better.
nah, this is so loud. Like everybody's looking. Yo, you guys don't even know how loud this is. Like so loud. Way too loud. Oh,
I feel so bad because It's so loud and so obnoxious.
So loud, way too loud.
Oh, hey, I got you. He's like, dude, this thing is so loud, to be honest, off camera. This is how BMW owners drive.
Like, I don't want people to park next to me, you know?
Like, what is this, bro? I can't lie though. I mean, look at mine. I like the wheels though. I like the wheels. Hey, don't. What's going on here, dude?
Oh.
What is this turning into? Hey, you. I feel so dumb. Hey, you. Hey, you. Yeah, you're the one picking your nose. If you're not subscribed already or like this video, go like it. I'm gonna pick your nose. Brian got scared.
I was like, dude, we have a problem. Oh my God, boys, a Lambo!
That is a car. You can see how slow the traffic is going.
Danny, we're in Florida, boy. Can you put the
Oh
AC?
yeah, you're right.
AC. Thank you.
Oh, there it is, boys. Oh my God, lower that window.
If he revs right next to me, I'm gonna.
Danny, don't do that.
He's probably like this. These poor people in Z's, man.
These non-turbo. Nah, he's taking us again.
Why do I have to be?
So slow.
It's a car! Alright, never mind. We're not chasing a Lambo. Florida! Right, Florida. That is clean. Look at this. Let me see. Woo! Look at that, boy. That's like from the 40s, probably. I haven't seen you forever. How's the family? How are the kids?
They're there, you know. Kids aren't mine.
They're not yours?
I hope not.
You've never. Wait, so you were never in this car before I got the exhaust, no? Wait, kind of remember how it sounds?
Yeah. Well, I've been behind you a couple of times on
Yeah.
the way to FSW.
You're right. Never seen you, but you might be right. I don't know. You went to something.
Well, I jumped out.
Is the first time you've been in a Z?
Yep, first time in a Z.
First time in a Z.
That's quick.
Yeah, it's pretty quick. Not even tuned, so tune you get about 30 to 40 horsepower.
That's right. So it's all motor V6?
Yeah. 3.7 V6.
3.7.
Yeah.
And you got headers?
No headers.
No headers?
But I got catalyst downpipes, which it's kind of like headers, to be honest. Headers don't do that much for this car at all.
Really?
There's like a huge controversy of headers, no headers. Because it really doesn't do that much. What's that here? So it's like headers, and then the cats are not attached to the header, so you can just get test pipes.
Yeah.
So I basically got test pipes.
And then it wires into the tongue.
I don't have a white pipe, I have stock white pipe, but then just tell me. Yeah. Which I'm gonna get as a white pipe. So
It sounds good. It doesn't sound like
not extremely loud, but it has a
it's deep though.
yeah, it's
It's
deep.
deep. Cause I seen a couple of these. They use the thin metal for their exhausts, and it sounds real
Raspberry.
raspy. Like really,
Yeah, a lot of these sound raspberry.
a lot of can sound.
Yeah. Alright, so this is also your first time being in a Z. 1 through 10, sound and speed, or you can combine them, I don't know.
Okay, so the sound, I'd give it like a 9. It sounds really good.
Okay.
And then speed, I've been in some fast cars, so like we did like a what 30 roll.
About.
I'd give it like a 4 or 5 on speed.
So you just got in my car and just disrespected me. Not a
It's
10
not
for the
disrespect-
exhaust, and
it's
then
not a dis- okay.
they're slow. They're
So
slow.
I put it above like some of the cars.
Hey, at least the exhaust got a 9. I don't know.
Yeah, the exhaust, it sounds really good.
Can we get a today, Junior?
It needs to be it needs to shoot flames, dude. You just gotta shoot those nasty like 90.
I'm just getting roasted into this video. That's basically the video. I'm just getting
Your
roasted.
friends are disappointed.
Now we're picking up Umberto. What's up, little girl?
bro.
Wait, is this his first time?
This is first time in the Z, and listen to the exhaust. By the way, you're
With the new
with the new
you're the
exhaust?
smallest guy that's been here today. I just want to tell you that. Brian's bigger than you. I'm bigger than you.
Honda esta.
Compared to the last ones,
Yeah, it's way louder.
it sounds good.
Oh, wait. Feel like it's faster?
Yeah. Yo!
Te voy a un farm. Dice que dale. And I was drinking anymore.
So this reaction video turned into Umberto telling me about his life and how hard it is, and that he's not gonna drink anymore. That's only gonna last like a
Hi
week.
guys, I'm not drinking. Well, tonight I'm drinking.
I need my questions answered. Why is it that Umberto got a longer ride than all of us?
Because,
Dude, look at him. I feel bad. He's kind of small. 1 through 10. 1 through 10.
Oh, wait.
it's like 6.
You just said he was a 10.
No, like loud is like 9, but like it's like.
You like the
good.
other one better?
Yeah.
What?
I don't know. This one is way too loud.
Get out of the car. Hey, open the.
I'm up. Nah, it sounds good. Just stay tuned for my car. I bought something for it. Like in 3 weeks, Danny's gonna make a video of my car. You know.
Umberto, do you even record?
I don't. Instagram, follow me. Instagram, UMBI, HUMBI, 1997.
That's the part we cut.
Why am I doing this video? It's loud. It's way faster, right? Everybody's looking. All right, Anthony. All right, 1 through 10. What do you think? 8?
Hey, yeah.
That's not bad. That's not bad. Got an 8. See, now you're gonna be like, oh, yo, it's in a 10C video. All right, boys, just like that, we're gonna end today's video. It was super fun. Got to see a lot of my old friends from high school. Shout out to Brian. He's the only one that stuck along. He didn't have a choice. So, okay, so we got a, so you said the exhaust was a 9 out of 10?
Yeah.
Roland said it was a 4. Lazaro said it was an 11, then an 8. And then Umberto said it was a 9 compared to the old one. So that averages to what? All right, so we just did the calculation. I averaged, the exhaust average, tone-wise, an 8.4. You know what has a really nice exhaust? That Prius right there. Ooh. If you guys enjoyed today's video, again, huge shout out to my boy, Brian, to the Tomei. Look at this, look at this thing, look at this dude. We scraped it a lot during this video. So you guys smash that thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe. And as always, I'll see you guys next time. Probably working on the 300 and saying how much I hate it, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe.